Alright, got a little cloudy day and the weather's not quite as hot, so we're going to take this opportunity. Got my buddy Andrew here he's currently living in Chicago?
Chicago.
Cleveland. Somewhere in Ohio. So,
What do they call him, a wandering man?
I guess, I don't know. So, Rolling Stone collects no moss, right? Yeah, so, anyway. All the wood, I've already brought all the wood up here myself the other day because I had to get the trailer empty because the Amish boys were bugging me. Your order's ready, your order's ready, your order's ready. Called me up, woke me up yesterday, so I went and picked it up. But, as you remember, we left off, there was some of this already done. Since he's here today, we dragged this heavy, ginormous table up here to put the chop saw on. So we're going to go ahead and get these boards knocked out so I will start cutting them. And I got my cool board bender. I made this instead of buying it. I just saw one online, and basically it goes on the 2x12 rafter and the pressure from it locks it in while this part here pushes it, bends it into where you need it. So I've already got one board ready to go down here. I can start laying it out, and then I'm going to start getting the pattern right again to go putting the seam on every other rafter. Floor joist.